Hey, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to build an online business super quick. This entire video, I'm going to walk you through building a complete business. Now, I'm going to skip over a few steps and then kind of circle back around to those steps so that this video isn't, a 5-hour long video, but I am going to show you the entire process in this video from start to finish to build an entire online business. Now, the type of business that we're going to build in this video is going to be an online course business. So think of some sort of content that you could put out in the world where you can record your screen, do screen capture tutorials, and teach a concept, even if it's something like making a slideshow presentation on a topic and teaching through slides, or if it's a technical topic like doing something in Google Drive, doing bookkeeping, building online carts, or anything that you can share on screen, this will work for. And you can create all sorts of courses like this, and they're super quick to create. If you were to create a course a week like this, you can have an entire online course business with all sorts of mini courses that you're out there selling. So I'm actually going to create a course in this video called Online Course in a Day. And I know this is super meta here that I'm getting into, but I am going to show you how to build a course about building a course. And the tutorial is going to be me building the course on how to build a course. So yeah, I'm kind of inceptioning myself here, but let's just get right into the video. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a members area, an area where you can deliver the protected content for when people purchase from you. In ThriveCart, they actually have a new section up here called ThriveCart Learn. You could come into ThriveCart Learn and create a brand new members area in here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on new project. I'm going to make my screen a little bit bigger here so it's a little bit easier to see. I'm going to click on create course up here, and we're going to call this one Online Business in a Day. Author, I'm going to put my name. Okay, so upload course logo. Now, I'm not going to get into how I designed this course logo in this video. This is one of those things I'm going to skip over real quick because I didn't want this video to take forever, but I will make a video on how I make this course logo, and I'll tell you about that at the end of this video. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and upload the course logo that I made. I believe it's in my downloads folder, Online Business in a Day. Open that, and then there is my course logo. Upload a profile image. I do have a profile image of myself that I'll go ahead and put there. For the course description, I actually wrote out some copy that maybe I can use here. I'll get into this copy in a few minutes here, but I'll go ahead and paste this as the course description here. Okay, so for support, I'm going to go ahead and do this. We actually handle our support over in our Discord now. And then course layout, I personally like this sidebar layout the best still, but whichever layout you want to use is perfectly fine. I'm going to stick with the one that I know, and I'm going to go ahead and click create my course. Now, I'm going to go ahead and actually add some training videos into this members area. I pre-made the training videos as to not have to record all of the training for this course on the call. However, I did make a video about how I made the training videos. So I'll tell you more about that video in just a little bit and how you can get access to that video. But I made all of the videos in this training with 100% free tools. So all of the videos that I'm going to show you as I upload them, just know that I built them completely for free. I didn't have to buy any software to record these videos. And so I'll explain how I did that towards the end of this video, but I also just wanted to kind of let you know that I am sort of skipping over that step in this video so you don't have to sit here and watch me make videos like the one you're watching about how to make content for your membership. All right, so I'm going to get right back into it. I'm going to go ahead and zoom back in on my screen here, and I am going to add each module here. All right, so I'm going to create my first module. I'm going to call this module the setup. This is going to be a lot of the technical build out of what you're doing, and I'm going to click create my module. Now I'm going to come over here to add a lesson, and I'm going to drag it right in here. And this first lesson is called How to Create Training Videos for Free. I'm going to create my lesson, and then I'm going to click on edit, and it's going to bring me to this area where I can design my lesson here. So this lesson was called How to Create Training Videos for Free. I don't need this text box here, so I'm going to delete that. And then I'm going to drag the little video box here. I like to make my video size the full width like this. I just think it looks a little cleaner. And then right here it says enter your embed code. Now where you actually embed your videos is completely up to you. I like to use Vimeo to embed my videos. It works well. They do have a premium plan. I am on their premium plan. So it's roughly 17 bucks a month to host your videos here. All right, so you could use the Vimeo account and use a pro plan, or you can use a place like YouTube and just have the videos be unlisted. That works just as well, and that's the free sort of budget way to do it. Otherwise, Vimeo works great. You can use Wistia. Amazon S3 has options. Vimeo for me has just always been the easiest, so that's what we use. So I'm going to go over here, and we've got our making our screen share content video that I made here, which breaks down how I do it all for free. So I am going to click on this little link button here and click copy embed code. And then I'm going to jump back over and I'm going to put my embed code right here in the embed code section. Click done, and it should pull in my video. I'm going to go ahead and click publish. And now I can just preview what I've got so far. And you can see I've got how to create training videos for free, and my video is now embedded. So I've got my first lesson set here. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and add another lesson. So I'm just going to drag this add a lesson over here. And this next one is how to write sales copy without being a copywriter. I'm actually going to copy that text and click create my lesson. That way, when I come in here to edit the page, I can take this whole title here and just paste in the title that I just gave it. And then I am going to delete this text box, bring in this other video that I made here, bring this video size to 100. And then I'm going to jump back over to Vimeo here and grab the automated sales letter writing video that I've got here, copy the embed code. Let's jump back over and paste my embed code and click done. With some of these, I do have some additional resources below the video that I want to link out to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put a content box down below it because it adds this nice little border there. And then inside my content box, I am going to add a text box. And in this text box, I am going to put link number 1, link number 2, etc. And then I can select this link, click the link button, add the link to my URL here. I'm not actually going to add the links in this video because I've got to kind of go hunt them down and remember all the links I'm going to set up. So I'm going to skip over that step in this video, but I will talk to you later about the whole rest of the process here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and jump back over to my ThriveCart account here, publish this new lesson, add another lesson here. Let's title this one, How to Create Your Product Image. Create my lesson, edit the lesson. I'm going to go ahead and replace this title here, delete this little text box because I don't need it. Bring over a video, bring up the video to 100%, and then paste my embed code. And I'm going to do this for multiple more videos here. So I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward through adding a bunch of these lessons, and then we're going to talk about the next steps after that. Okay, and I'm going to add another module down here, and I'm going to call this driving traffic. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a whole bunch of lessons about driving traffic into your course. Okay, so one thing I actually can do to speed up this process, right now I'm building out my module for driving traffic into the new business that you just created. And one thing that I could do instead of copying and pasting this over and over again is that I can actually clone this one that I just created and just rename them all. So this module is going to have, I believe, 5 lessons in it. So I'm going to go ahead and clone this lesson, and I'm just going to go ahead and clone it about 5 times and then go through and edit each one. All right, so now you can see I have 5 of these here. I'm going to go ahead and rename each one to the title that it's supposed to be. But when I go in here to edit it, you can see that it's already got my video embedded to the size that I like it. So now I can go through and just one at a time edit each of these pages instead of building a new one from scratch each time. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so I've gone ahead and built out my members area. Let's go ahead and preview it now. You can see that I've got my setup modules over here. We've got our driving traffic modules over here, and we are good to go. We have the whole course built out, which walks you through how to actually create the training, how to write the sales copy for the training, how to create your product image like the one you see up in here, which I need to fix because it's cropping off a little bit, and how to do the build out in ThriveCart. So this members area is ready to go. So now it's time to go set up the sales process for this members area. So I'm going to go ahead and come back over to ThriveCart, and I'm going to click next. It brings us over to the course options here. And I'm not going to do any sort of dripping out with this content right now, so nothing to do here. And I'm going to click save and exit. So now I have my online business in a day course over here. So now it's time to create the product around it. So let's go ahead up here to products, and we're going to create a product. This is a digital product, and we're going to go ahead and call this online business in a day. All right, so for the label, I'm going to actually name it the same thing, online business in a day. I'm going to set this to live. Owner of this product is me. Currency USD. Product price, I'm going to set this one at $99. No trial period. Let's click next. So one-time payment, $99. Only allow one purchase at a time. That's all correct here. I'm going to go ahead and click next. Not going to do any bump offers on this one. For my processors, I'm going to make sure I got Stripe set up there, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay. I don't have an authorized .NET account. So I'm going to click save on that. Yes, we do want affiliates to be able to promote this. Let's go ahead and give affiliates 50% commissions here. Let's do after a delay, so they're automatically paid out after 30 days since we are putting a 30-day refund period on this. Click save, choose affiliate options. So I'd like to manually approve all affiliates. We use last cookie. Let's do a 60-day cookie expiration. Affiliates must connect their PayPal. The affiliate link target URL, I don't actually have that yet, so we're going to actually have to circle back around to that. We want to show this product in the affiliate dashboard. Allow affiliates to set their own funnel tracking code. That's fine. Allow affiliates to set their own bonuses. That's also fine. So I'll click save. We just have to remember we have to come back and change this affiliate target later. Let's go ahead and click next. So our support URL, once again, is hustleandflowchart.com/discord. And then what should happen after purchase? Add them to my membership site. Select your membership platform. We're using ThriveCart Learn. No extra tools necessary. Select the ThriveCart course to apply for a purchase. We're going to select online business in a day. Tags, I'll go ahead and create one for online business in a day. Make that a tag. And I'm not going to set up a custom success URL. Let's click next. And now we're going to actually build the sales page for this. So for the sales page, I did actually pre-write a bunch of copy just so I didn't write all of the copy on camera for this video. And I've got it all in a document here. You'll see me referencing this document and jumping back and forth to this document because this is the sales copy that I had pre-written. This entire sales copy was written using automation tools. I didn't write this copy myself. This was actually automated copy that it was basically using machine learning to write this copy for me. I'll tell you more about how to learn my copywriting strategy once I get through the rest of this video, but I do want to just show you this is what I'm starting from because otherwise you'd be sitting here watching me create copy from scratch and this video could be, you know, an extra hour long and I don't want to make the video that long. So we're going to go ahead and build out our sales page using this copy here. Let's go ahead and jump back over to ThriveCart here. And for our checkout, I'm going to use the sales cart here and we're going to click next. And now we're gonna launch into the cart editor here. And once again, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in as I build this out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up as a single step cart. I kind of prefer these single step carts just to, make it quick, keep everything on one page. We can adjust the spacing here and actually make our sales page a little bit bigger if we want. Content area spacing, we can change basically the padding inside of this if we want. Let's go ahead and kind of leave it somewhere around, around there. Looks good. Save the spacing options. And now let's go ahead and start building out our product here. All right, so I'm going to jump over to my sales copy here. And so let's go ahead and start with that. We're going to bring in a heading here, bring the heading up to the top of our sales page here in the content area. I'll go ahead and paste that in, and let's go ahead and center that. And then we need a section of text here. So I'll jump over to my copy and grab this section here, jump back here, paste my text in. Kind of ignores the formatting there when you copy and paste. Let me see where my line break was here. So business off the ground. All right, this looks like where the next paragraph starts. So let's go ahead and do it that way. Let's pull in a subheading down here, grab our subheading from right here, go back over. We'll paste that in, also center that. Bring in a chunk of text. I'm gonna grab this first paragraph. I'll just make a new text box for each paragraph so I don't have to worry about the spacing here. Bring in another text box below this one. Grab this paragraph. And I'm just going to go ahead and paste this all in real quick and make it all speedy like. All right, so this section right here was kind of designed to be bullets. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this in as kind of like a bullet section here. So I'm going to jump back over here. Let's pull in a bullet section like this. And then I will paste each of my bullets in this way. Okay, so I got my bullets added in here. I think I want to boost the font size on these guys a little bit. So let's go ahead and select this bullet area and let's drag our font size a little bit bigger here. I kind of like 18. That seems to be about the sweet spot for my eyes. And then I actually want to make the rest of these font sizes 18 as well, so that everything kind of has more of this uniform look. I think I want my headlines to be a bit bigger. So let's go to 32. Let's make this one 28. And this one, I'm gonna go back to 32 on. There we go. Let's add a little spacing on top of this here. Or I guess it'd be padding. Let's put some padding on top there. Space that a little bit better. We can add a little padding on top of this one here. Space that out a little bit better. Cool. And now we've got our sales letter up until the bullets here. So let me jump back over, and you can see I've got a couple more sections to go ahead and copy and paste in, a normal section and then like a little FAQ section. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed through that again real quick. Now, one of the things I'm doing here is I just duplicated this headline and I'm just gonna change the text. Instead of dragging and dropping a new headline in, I clicked this little duplicate button up here and it duplicated it like so, and then I just dragged one of them down there to where I want my new headline, and then it maintains the same padding, the same font size, all that kind of stuff. All right, so now I want to make my FAQ section, so I'm gonna go ahead and drag this FAQ box down here. And you can see it's got this little, open and close Q&A box here. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy and paste all my FAQ questions in on this FAQ now real quick. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to the left side. I'm going to scroll all the way down, and there's a little button that says Set Up FAQs. And this is where I can actually copy and paste all of my FAQ questions. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste each of my FAQs into this section here, and I'll be right back. Okay, and that's it. I have finished adding my FAQ, so I'm going to click Save, and now you can see I've got these FAQ questions here. I want to add one more little headline box below the FAQs just to kind of break up the gap before the actual checkout here. So I'm going to put a headline that says, simply enter your payment info to get started. Now, another thing I can do is I can add buy buttons kind of throughout this, just to get people to jump to the end. So if I put a buy link, let's put a buy link right below what you get here and put it right in that section. I personally like to do a full width buy button, and I like to remove all these credit cards here. And now if somebody clicks on that during the sales page, it'll actually just scroll them down to where they can purchase here. I'm going to rearrange this because I think the price should be above where you put the details. So I will put that there, move this up here. So that's right there. And now you've got your payment details down at the very bottom. And I have a sales page. Now I could go and polish this sales page up, add some images. It'd be really, really simple to do that. I can just click on a section here, say I want to put an image off to the left, add my image in here, and I would have images throughout. Now, that's something that I'm not going to actually do in this video just for the sake of time, but you can see how quickly I can click on a text section, come up here, click this box, add an image off to the right, or come up here, click this box, add the image off to the left, and add images throughout. Pretty simple. But for the sake of this explanation here, I think you get it. You can see how quickly you can get a sales page together, especially if you've already got the copy pre-written for you. So I'm going to go ahead and click Next. On the success page, I'm just going to put a heading up in here that says, congratulations, you're about to build a business in a day. Go ahead and center that, make the font pretty big. Oops, I think I need to select all this, then click center, and yeah, let's go ahead and leave it like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it like that for now. You can add a, a thank you video up in here, welcoming to your course, make it full width, make it look however you want. I don't have a welcome video ready for this one, so I'm gonna leave it pretty basic for right now and click complete. Now I've got my sales page ready. Go over to tracking. This is where I would add, my Google Analytics ID here. If I'm going to set up a Facebook tracking pixel, I could put my Facebook pixel ID in here, and I would click next. And then finally, you have your behavioral rules. When somebody purchases the main product, you probably want to add them to your autoresponder if you've got an autoresponder. So when the main product is purchased, I personally use Active Campaign. I want to add them to the list, and let's put them in the list all customers. And then I want to also on purchase, add them to a tag, and let's call this tag, I like to do it with this sort of format, put brackets customer, and then put the name of the product, online business in a day. I'm going to actually copy that. So I just Command C, copied that, and then I'm going to add another rule. And when the main product is refunded in Active Campaign, remove them from the list. We're going to remove them from all customers. And then when the product is refunded, I'm also going to remove them from the tag that we just created. I'll paste that in there, customer, online business in a day. Now they'll have the tag added or removed based on what they do. I can click save and get URL here. And we've essentially just created an entire online business here. So if I click on view checkout, you can see here's my sales page. It definitely needs some imagery added to it, but I'm going to come back through and polish this up a little bit here. If somebody clicks on this buy now, you'll see it scrolls them down to the bottom where they can actually make their purchase here. And if somebody actually makes the purchase, let's go ahead and just set up a test transaction here. So I'm going to just go over to my edit product settings here. And then under options, instead of live, I'm going to put it into test mode. And then I'm going to go to save and get URL. Now let's go ahead and refresh our sales page here. And it should be in test mode now. You can see at the top, there's a box. This product is in test mode. So now let's click to scroll down to purchase. And then I'm going to go ahead and let's just do this and do a test purchase real quick with a credit card. I'm going to go ahead and copy the card digits here, paste that in, and then I can enter any date. So let's just go 04/22 and then 123 just to run my test. And then I'll click complete order and we'll see what happens when I purchase. All right, complete order. Congratulations, you're about to build a business in a day. I can click here and view my invoice. I can close this invoice out. Your products, click here to access your purchase. Guess what happens when I click here? It takes me over to the members area where I can now have access to online business in a day. It starts me right here on my very first training video in the members area, and people now have access, and we have built an entire course in a single day. Now, there is one more step that I need to show you real quick, and that is I do need to set up our affiliate link here. So if I come back here, I actually want to grab this link, the sales page that we just created. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go to edit product settings here. And then we're going to come to our affiliate section, come to edit affiliate options. And we need to remember our affiliate link target URL. Since our checkout page and our sales page is all the same page, I'm going to set that as the place that affiliates point their URL. Click save. Now affiliates can also promote this product and drive traffic into it. Now, throughout this, I mentioned that I skipped over the section where I show you how I make the training videos. Well, that's this video right here. I skipped over this section where I show you how I wrote the entire sales copy. Well, that's this video right here. I skipped over the section about the product image. That's this video over here. And then the how to do the build out. That's essentially what you just watched, plus all of these traffic tactics to drive traffic into this new business that we just created. Now, if you want to get access to all of these videos, it's real simple. If you purchase ThriveCart through my affiliate link after watching this video, I will hook you up with this entire training on how to build an online business in a day. So if you grab ThriveCart through my link, you will learn how I create the training videos for these products for free. The video you're watching now, I'm creating for free using completely free tools. So this video that you're watching right now was created for free using the strategies that I'm teaching you. The sales letter that I just used to build out this online business in a day, I show you exactly step by step how I wrote that sales letter using automated tools. The whole process took me 30 minutes. If you watch the video on how to write a sales copy without being a copywriter, the whole video took 30 minutes. And I walk you through the entire process of writing the sales letter. Same with the how to create images, same with how to do the build out, and same with all the traffic tactics. So if you do decide to purchase ThriveCart today and you buy it through our link, when you purchase ThriveCart, I have it set up so you automatically get access to this course that you just got done watching the video for. So purchase through that link, you get this exact course that shows you exactly how to build an entire online business in a day, plus all of our other ThriveCart bonuses. We have a bunch of bonuses with things like ThriveCart templates, training, interviews with the founder, Josh Bartlett from ThriveCart, how to build different types of funnels, different funnel breakdowns, case studies, all sorts of amazing bonuses. Plus, you get this entire online business in a day course that I've been building with you on that video. All you have to do, purchase ThriveCart through our link. There should be a link somewhere on this page to grab it, and I will hook you up with all of that additional training so you can get the entire picture of writing the sales letter and creating the videos and creating the thumbnails and driving the traffic. You're going to get the whole bundle by grabbing ThriveCart through our link, and that's it. And if you already own ThriveCart, that's cool too. You know the sales page, I just showed it to you, and it is available for $99. You can get access to all of this training if you do already own ThriveCart and you didn't purchase it through our link. That's how you can get that. All right, so Hopefully you decide to grab ThriveCart. If you do grab ThriveCart, grab it through our link. I will show you how to write the copy for a sales page. I will show you how to create the members videos for free. I'll show you how to create the thumbnails. I'll show you how to drive traffic into it. I'll show you the whole picture plus some next level strategies. There's more training that I'm adding to this course, plus all of our existing ThriveCart bonuses that we've been giving away forever, like the interviews and the case studies and the tutorials on various funnel build-outs. You're going to get all of that. All you have to do is grab ThriveCart through our link, or you can purchase the Online Business in a Day course for $99. I will make sure both of the links for either options are available somewhere on this page below this video. Hopefully you found this helpful. Hopefully it helped you make a decision on buying ThriveCart or not. And hopefully you now understand how you can actually build an entire business in a single day. Yes, you really can do that. All right. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.